Hello and welcome to this Advanced Excel ECDL video. Today we will be looking at nested functions. You may be familiar with the if function. To explain briefly, the if function calculates if a certain cell or range of cells meets a specific criteria, then a certain value will be shown. With a nested function, another function is placed within the if function. So for example, if we have a formula if, let's say B2 is less than 4, comma, then C D2 will equal 3, let's say. So that would calculate, of course you use the equals, but that would calculate if there's less than 4 absences, the bonus will be 3. Now what we want to calculate by using a nested function is, without using the equal sign, we will use the AND function. So we do if, open bracket, and open bracket. So we see if 2 criteria are met using the AND function. So let's say if and B2 is less than 4, comma, C2 is greater than 17. So both of those criteria have to be met. Bracket, comma, the bonus will be 10. And then if not, the bonus will be 5. And then close the bracket. So if I'll just copy that form, or put an equals in front of that formula, that will now calculate, that will now calculate the bonus. So really that should have been here. So then if we drag it down, you will see that because of the nested function, what this has effectively done is, if let's say it meets 2 criteria, because it's an AND statistical function, logical function. So if B2 is greater than 4, so we're looking for, or less than 4, absences less than 4 days, and sales above 17, so we can see that there's 3 people who meet the criteria for having sales above 17. For everyone who meets both of those criteria, the bonus will be 10. And for everyone who does not meet that criteria, the bonus will be 5. And you can see that this is the first function, the if function, and then this is the nested function, a function within a function. I hope that you have gained the benefit from this video. If you would like to find out more about Advanced Excel and ICDL, you can refer to the link below this video, www.digidiscover.com, where you'll find a range of ICDL books that you can learn how to use the Microsoft Office applications. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.